Good morning, all of you. So, as we know, in last class, I have taught you what is the formation of sodium chloride as well as formation of magnesium chloride. And I think I have given you homework to draw the electron draw structure of like the formation of calcium chloride. So, if it comes to here, I think you have been drawn already. So, what is the formula of calcium chloride? Anybody can say?
CaCl2.
CaCl2.
At least you have been responded. So CaCl2. So now if you take here, so Ca electron dot structure. How many electrons are extra? 2 electrons in its valence cell. So if you take chlorine, 2 chlorines are required. So you have to represent 2 chlorine atoms. How many valences chlorines? How many valences are? So 1 valence, 7 electrons will be there. Correct? Please respond me. That is so. Calcium valence is 2882 and this one is what? 2 of 2 comma 8 comma 7. So now if you'll observe very carefully, so for after donating what will happen? Ca2 plus, so it will turns into what? Calcium ion. It is 2 comma 8 comma 8 and what will become? Chlorine 8. Is it yes or no? So minus. So this is what it will become 2 of 2 comma 8 comma 8. Yes, or we can say CaCl2. So what is the nearest inert gas electronic configuration? Anybody? Both is here. Both are acquiring same nearest electronic configuration. Can you able to say?
Argon.
Huh?
Argon.
Very good.
Argon.
So calcium chloride. So they are acquiring the nearest electronic configuration of argon. Is it yes or no?
Argon.
Yes, yes. So unless until you people are changing, I cannot change. So okay, Karen. So now won't respond. Simply people say good morning. Also nobody is saying good morning. Okay. So here if you'll observe the positively charged calcium ion and negatively charged chloride ions, they will held together. And that is why you can say here what force is present? Electrostatic force of attraction. So that is why this is called as ionic bond or covalent bond. They are forming by one positive and one negative.
Ionic bond.
The ionic bond. So they are held together by the forces of which forces? Electrostatic force of attraction. Which force?
Electrostatic force of attraction.
Electrostatic force of attraction. So that is what you have to remember. So that is why they are forming. So that is why they are called as what we should call ionic compound. Understand, Ra? Ionic compounds, or we can say the bond present between them is what? Ionic bond. Understand, Ra?
Ionic bond.
That is you have to remember. Next. So now in our today's class we are going to study the next third compound. That is called as formation of, this is the well-known compound to you. Class 10th chemistry will start with this equation only first. What is that? Can you able to guess? Formation of magnesium oxide. What is that? Formation of magnesium oxide. So as we know, what is the formula of magnesium oxide, guys? Magnesium oxide, MgO. What is the formula of magnesium oxide? MgO. Correct? Arya, Nitinath, Elmati, that is Mg. So, as we know here, magnesium is a metal and oxygen is a what? Here, magnesium is a what? Magnesium is a metal and oxygen is a what? Oxygen is a non-metal. So, that is why metal plus non-metal. So, magnesium burns in air, understanding, to form an ionic compound called as what? Magnesium oxide. Yes or no, guys? Please respond me. Yes, it will burn in the oxygen. So as we have studied at the starting of this class 10th chemistry, the same thing you have been studied. So magnesium, it will burn with a what flame? A white color flame. We have some name also that is called as. Can anybody say? Magnesium metal.
White dazzling
Dazzling flame.
Dazzling flame.
So very good. So metal burns in oxygen. Oxygen to form what? To form an ionic compound called.
White dazzling.
What is that compound? What is that ionic compound called as? Magnesium
Magnesium
oxide.
oxide.
Magnesium oxide, we can say. So now this is one. So as we know, here two are there. So if you'll observe here, what is the atomic number of magnesium, guys? Atomic number. So if we'll take magnesium atomic number 12. So what is the electronic configuration of magnesium? Electronic configuration
282.
2. What is the valency cell here? K-L-M. So K-L-M. So what is the valency cell? M cell. So how many electrons it will donate? How many electrons it will donate? Just see.
2
electrons.
2 electrons. So understanding, and also you can observe oxygen. So if you take oxygen, what is that? Oxygen atomic number? Oxygen atomic number 2. 8. So electronic configuration is 2, 6. So what is the valence cell? K and D. Correct or not? Please respond me now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now.
So can you show somewhat down, sir?
Yes. Some sound is coming from somebody. Karthikeyan, understand Karthikeyan? Please respond me. Kevin? Yes. Now, so as you know, magnesium electron dot structure, anybody can say? You have to respond. So magnesium, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. Correct? So 2, 8, 2. So losing or gaining, Arvind? Lost the electrons. Correct or not? So it will be
Electron.
yes, magnesium 2 plus. Clear? So what is the electronic configuration? 2, 8. Yes or no? Same way, oxygen, anybody can say? Oxygen, how many? 6 electrons are there. How many? 6 electrons are there in valence cell. What will happen? It will gain or loss? It will gain the 2 electrons. You have to speak. So 2, 2, 2 and gaining 2 electrons, total it will become 8. So here how much it will come power? Power how much it will come? 2 minus. Yes or no? Please respond here. That is. So here 2, 6 will be present and here how much it will be present? 2, 8. So what is the nearest electron configuration of stable nearest? Neon. Correct? That is you should remember. So now it will write what it will come. Can you able to say what is combined state when magnesium reacts with oxygen?
Ionic
Two
against
transform. So what is the combined form? You have to take magnesium 2 electrons. It will transfer to what? It will transfer to single oxygen atom. Is it correct, guys? Please respond me. So these 2 electrons will transfer to single oxygen atom. So here 2, 8, 2 and here what? 2, 6. So they will be combined together and it will form a magnesium 2 plus and oxygen also what? Oxygen. What will come? 2 minus. Yes or no? Please respond. So 2, 8 and here 2, 8. So what is the nearest electronic configuration of stable electronic configuration?
Neon.
Magnesium oxide. What is this called as? Magnesium oxide plus or we can write what? This is actually, what is this actually? Mg2O2. Yes or no, guys? Mg2O2. But if it is coming same number, what we have to do? We have to write it always in the lowest
cancel, sir.
No. Lowest numbers you should write. So what will turns into? Magnesium oxide. Do you understand? Everybody, please respond me. So
Yes, sir.
like this, both are same. So Mg2 plus O2 minus, or you can write MgO. Both are same. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
So it is forming by one donation and one receive. So that which bonds are present? Ionic bond or covalent bond? Ionic bond.
Bond.
That's
Ionic bond.
Ionic bonds. So all of you should write. Till here, any doubt means kindly ask me. If not, so start writing. Bhumika, understand?
Sir, please show. Sir, please show that before this formation, Mg and O2 separately we formed, no, sir.
That is only I am showing, right? Tarani, understand? Tarani, Bhumika, please try to respond me. Most important, that is why I am saying. Bhumika, Jesse, understand? Jesse, are you clear? Any doubt in this? Okay, Almati.
Yes, sir.
Anusri, Arya, Dina, and etc. etc. Absent is.
Okay, sir.
Nitish, understand? Nitish, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now yourself, you people write calcium oxide. I will give. After this calcium oxide, you should write. Bhumika, respond me. Jesse also. Next, you have to write under this. Next example, calcium oxide. So as we know, what is the formula of calcium oxide? Can you able to say? Calcium oxide.
CaO.
CaO.
Yeah.
CaO.
The formula actually Ca2 plus O2 minus. So or else we can write what we can write? CaO. Understand?
Ca2O2.
Same. So now you should write, everybody you have to write calcium oxide. So individually first you take and later you write. What is the calcium atomic number? As I said today, first that only.
20.
Huh? What is the atomic number?
20.
Calcium.
20, sir.
Very good. So calcium
20.
20.
atomic number.
20.
And what is the electronic configuration? Anybody can say? What is the
2,
electronic?
8.
8,2. Is it yes or no? That is same way. Oxygen. So oxygen what? Z equals to 8, which is equals to what electronic configuration? If you speak
2,6.
2,8.
7.
Please respond me. Akil Irfan.
2,6. No, sir.
Sorry.
2,6, sir.
Yes. 2,6. 2,6. Now, if you'll observe, so what is directly you can write? You can write individually also. So Ca2 plus. So minus 2 electrons are plus 2 electrons are. So minus 2 electrons and it will turns into Ca2 plus. So oxygen what? Oxygen. How many electrons? 6 electrons plus 2 electrons. So it will turns into what? It will turns into
O2 minus.
O2 minus.
O2 minus. That is. So please write it. O 8
minus.
electrons. 8 electrons, 2 minus. So now combine all of you. Combine means what will come? Combine. So Ca2 plus, Ca2 plus oxygen. How many electrons are oxygen? Are they Kayan?
6, sir.
So this will come here, 2 electrons. So which will give you what? Ca2 plus and oxygen?
2
2 minus.
2 minus.
Electron dot structure. You should write always like this only. Understand, Ra? So 2 minus. Or I can write what? Or I can write CaO. Understanding? Both are same. So this is acquiring nearest electronic configuration 2,8,8. So what is the nearest electronic configuration?
Argon, sir.
Argon and neon. Both. Not argon alone. Argon and neon. So calcium is argon. And oxygen is neon. Understand everybody?
Neon.
Everybody respond me. That is. It is argon and it is neon.
Put the dot in anywhere, sir.
What, Ra?
So the dot.
Dot. Ask your doubt clearly.
Sir, we can put anywhere, sir.
Anywhere you can keep, but it should be filled over electron cells. That's all. Elmati, understand, Jesse? Nitish? Bhumika?
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Everybody solve it. Okay. You understand? Please respond me. Call to option D, Ra.
Understood, sir.
Bhumika, understand? Ra?
Sir.
Rani? Okay. So now, This is all about the examples. Dilipan, Yalni, anybody having doubt means kindly ask me. Now, everywhere you please note it. And I want to say the most important thing here, that is, in exam, they will ask you, what is the positive ion and what is the negative ion? And they will ask you to identify. So that is why you should know the meaning of ionic compounds. So please, all of you keep heading. Next concept which we are going to study is ionic compounds. Now, can anybody say, what do you mean by ionic compounds, guys? Please respond me. What do you mean by ionic compounds? Kindly, please. What do you mean by?
Sir, they join to form
Don't, sir.
compounds, sir.
Complicated definitions, and I don't want to hear like that and all. What do you mean by ionic compounds? That's all. Very good. Nitin said so.
Elements donate and receive, sir.
Which contains ionic bonds. That's all. Nothing is rare. So ionic bond. So what do you mean by ionic bond? By donor, one is donating electrons, one is receiving electrons. That's all. So ionic compounds means, all of you should remember, whatever the compounds. So the compounds which contains what kind of bonds are? The compounds containing ionic bonds.
Ionic bond.
The compounds containing ionic bonds. Ionic bonds are known as what? Are known as ionic compounds. Understand, Ra? So that is what you should remember, ionic compounds. So if you observe here, they are formed by what? So what do you mean by ionic bonds, Dilipan? Dilipan will say, others will be silent. So respond me please, Dilipan. If not, you leave from the meeting. I don't want to see also your faces, those who are not speaking. So you get out, no issues. I don't have any objections. So ionic bonds means what? So one is by transforming electrons. One is by transfer of electrons, and another one should be what? Another one from one atom to another atom by transfer of electrons from what? From one atom.
From one to other.
One atom to another atom. So here, the atom which will donate the electrons is called as donor, and receiving electrons is called as acceptor. Correct or not? Please respond.
Yes,
so that is what you should remember. So ionic bonds will always form by ionic bonds. Ionic compounds will form. So you have to remember, ionic compounds is made up of two kinds of charges. What is that? A positively charged ions and as well as negatively charged ions. Do you understand? These both will combine together. So in between them, the electrostatic force of attraction will form. That electrostatic force of attraction is called as ionic bond. What do you call, Elmati? Ionic bond. Now, my question is, ionic compounds contains ions or molecules? That is what I want. So ionic compounds contains contains ions or molecules. I want this is answer. Ions or molecules. Anybody can say, please. Ions or molecules. Elmati is saying ions. Others, there is no, you don't have, you cannot speak.
Ions.
Ionic will never contain molecules. All of you should remember. Ionic compounds always contains what? Ions. Contains called ions only. Do you understanding, Ra? So that is why these ions, the ionic compounds, also we can call it as, already I said. What is another name of ionic compounds? Arvind? Kartikeya? What is another name of ionic compounds? Electrovalent
compound.
Electrovalent compounds. The most important thing, ionic compounds does not contains molecules. Understanding, Ra? So it is not formed by combining atoms. It is forming by combining what, Ra? Combining what?
Electrovalent compounds.
Don't, I am asking it combined by what? It's not combined by molecules. By combining what?
Ion.
Ions.
Ions, sir.
Combining ions. You should listen. Okay. Very, very good, Kevin. So that is what. So now let us see. I will give you some ionic compounds. You should say what is the ions present in it. Shall we say? So now, if we'll take, for example, I will give you the first example I can see, and you should tell me. Suppose I can take copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. So you should tell me the formula. What is the copper sulfate formula? Copper sulfate formula.
CuSO4.
Now, what is the ions present in this? Anybody? What is the ions present in this? With the valence
Sir,
system.
the Cu2 plus
Cu2 plus
minus.
and SO2,
Cu2 plus
SO4, sulfate 2 minus.
Four.
Understanding?
2 minus.
That is you should understand. So that is I want it. This is the ions present in it. So this is what combining. What will come? Cu2, SO4 twice will come. So both are having even numbers so that it will become into lowest fractions. What is that it will come? CuSO4. Correct or not? That is. Next. All of you. Next, second one. Let me take calcium nitrate. Let me see who will say. Calcium nitrate. Everybody. Akhil Arfan, can you able to say? Calcium nitrate. Nitinath, Nitish. I said you to call absentees, but still nobody is joined. It's okay. Bhumika, can you answer this? Bhumika, Nitish, Arvind, Tarani. Call to Akshaya. Call to Ashika also. Tell me, Almati. Speak, Anusri. What? CaNO3
Twice.
CaNO3 twice. Calcium nitrate. Understanding? Yeah. So here, what is the ions present? Ca2 plus
Ca2 plus NO3 1 minus.
and NO3 minus 1. Understanding? So by combining, what will come? Ca1, NO3 twice. So many will write like this. CaNO3 2. This is wrong. Understanding? Bracket. It should be whole. Twice we can see. Understand, guys? That is you should remember. So be very careful with that. That is CaNO3 twice. That's all. So this is what. So I hope you all are able to identify most of the ion, most of the compounds ions easily. Yes or no? Any doubt? Please respond.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, that's all. Now, I will ask you, let me see if you are really understanding. Draw the electron dot structure of an ionic compound called as sodium oxide. Let me see. Who will draw? Sodium oxide. You should speak. Directly we'll go with that. Suppose this
The
is
formation of sodium oxide,
yeah,
sir.
formation of sodium oxide. So first tell me what is the sodium oxide formula? Anybody? Just
Sir,
speak, yeah. What?
Na2O, sir.
Na2.
I will
Na2.
and I will slap means 2 days you will sleep. You don't have sense. Na2. What is the oxide sodium oxide formula?
Sorry, sir. NaO.
Na2O.
NaO.
Na2.
Sir.
Okay. So sodium is +1, oxygen is 2 minus.
2 minus.
What kind of things
Minus.
people know? NaO. What are you doing, man? Na2O. So one oxygen and how many sodium atoms, Ra? Arya?
2, sir.
2 sodium atoms. So each sodium atom will donate 1 electron. What is you are having? So what? So to sodium, Na 1 dot. Correct or not? So 2 sodium atoms. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is. Nobody will respond. So what is the sodium electronic configuration atomic number? First you tell me.
11.
11.
So one sodium atom, another sodium atom. This is the meaning of that. So sodium electronic configuration, electronic number is 11. What is the electronic configuration?
8,
1. Saying NaO. Don't have knowledge minimum thing. How many days I am teaching the same thing. But still you people are like this only. Nobody will respond. Simply you people are sitting in the meeting and you will go out. So now same way oxygen. What is that? Speak, Ra. Oxygen is 8. Equal to what electronic configuration? 2,8. Holding means will later narrow.
6, sir.
Everybody should speak. You should take initiation. You should feel that yes, I should learn. How many days you people are like this? Class 9th also, class 10th also you people are like this means what? So now, what is the combined? Tell me electronic configuration. So sodium 1. So it will lose 1 electron. and it will go
Minus
on. It
E1,
will
sir.
become Na
E
plus. But here we want oxygen 2 electrons. So that is why what we can take? We'll take 2 sodiums
Sodium.
and 2 electrons. It will become what? 2 Na plus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, oxygen. Oxygen how many?
6, sir.
6 electrons. So it will gain 2 electrons and it will turns into what? It will turns into what?
O2 minus.
Minus. That's all. So now you combine what will come? You tell me please. Combining what will come? So you have to take 2 sodium atoms. So 1 sodium atom, 1 dot. Another sodium atom what? Another sodium atom also 1 dot. Correct? Respond
Yes,
me.
Yes.
Next, oxygen. Oxygen how many? 6. Correct? So
Six.
now this atom will come here, this electron, and this electron also will come here. Like this it will come. Is it okay, Ra? Nobody will. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
Na plus, and here also down what will come? Na plus. Now what will come here? Oxygen 2, 4, 6, 8. So
8.
2 minus. So what is the
2
next
minus.
configuration? This one 2 of 2 comma 8. Correct? 2 of 2 comma 8. Yes or no? Please respond me.
sir.
And this one 2 comma 8. Okay? That is. So R I can write. R what I can write formula? Can you able to say? 2
Na2.
2 Na plus
Na2.
O2 minus. Yes. R I can write. What is the formula? Na2O. Understand? Na2O. That is what the formula. Understand, Ra? Everybody? So what is the nearest electron configuration? Nearest electron configuration of? What is that?
Neon.
Neon.
Sodium oxide. This is called as sodium oxide. Okay, Ra? Respond. Everybody,
Yes,
draw. What is the formula, Ra, Karthik? Sodium oxide?
Sir, Na2O.
I'm asking Karthikeyan.
Sir,
Karthikeyan, what is the
Na2O.
formula? Ah?
Sir, Na2O.
Why sodium? What is the sodium valency?
Sir, sodium valency, we need 2 sodium, sir.
Na2 sodium. That is what you are understanding. I am not even happy with you at all. Sodium valency is how much, Ra?
1,
Sir, 1, sir.
Sodium valency is 1.
sir.
What is the valency of oxygen?
2, sir.
Sir,
2 minus.
2, sir, 2.
Thinking skills at all, not at all there. So 1 oxygen required 2 sodiums. That is why we are taking here 2 sodiums. Suppose you can take magnesium chloride. 1 magnesium required 2 oxygen, 2 chlorines. That is why we are taking different. Have you seen it? Reverse. Because there magnesium will donate 2 electrons. Here oxygen will accept 2 electrons. That is why. Based upon that, you should modify. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Call to option this, I said call. Right, next. So this is all about ionic compounds. Any doubt, Elamati? Anusri? Akhil Arpan? If you don't have any doubt, then next type of compounds. What is that second bond? Ionic bond is over. What is the second bond? Nitinath?
Covalent bond.
Covalent bond.
Yes. Covalent bond. So all of you keep heading. This is a very big concept and very important and interesting compound. Okay, very interesting bonds. Very definitely the questions will come. So covalent bond. So as we know, ionic bonds means what? Simply by sharing electrons. Correct or not? From one atom to another. Sorry, by donating electrons from one atom to another. Now, if it comes to here, covalent bond means no donation, no receiving. What is happening? Only sharing. No.
Sharing
That
of
you should remember. So, whatever the chemical bond is forming, a chemical bond formed by what? Arya. Formed by the what? Sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons between whom? Electrons between whom? Single atom or 2 atoms? Electrons
2 atom.
between 2 atoms. Understanding? Between 2 atoms is known as what? Is known as
Covalent bond.
covalent bond.
Covalent bond.
Understanding that? Now itself you tell me covalent bonds is forming ionic compounds or molecular compounds. Covalent bonds is forming ionic compounds or molecular compounds. Nobody having mouth?
Molecular compound.
Molecular compound. Very good, Arvind. Any other? Jesse? Nitinath? Very good, Nitinath. Others?
Sir, molecular, sir.
Molecular compounds. That is you should remember. So here, no donating, no receiving. By only sharing electrons they are forming. Means by forming molecules. Class 9 you may be studied in chemistry. Molecules are two types. What is that? Molecules of an element and molecules of a compound. So if molecules will combine, understand, atoms will combine together by sharing of electrons. That is what molecules of a compound. So that compounds is also we can call it as molecular compounds. What we should call? Molecular compounds. Understanding, Ra? Because they will form by sharing of electrons. That is why this bond is called as covalent bond. What we should call? Covalent bond. Understanding? So here what is happening means the sharing of electrons takes place in such a way that each atom in the resulting molecule gets the stable electron arrangement. What will happen? Gets the stable electron arrangement of an inert gas. Each and every atom will get that. So you should remember here also the atoms will share only which electrons are outermost electrons. Which electrons? Outermost electrons, formation of covalent bond. So before giving the examples to understand this formation of covalent bonds, you should learn what type of elements forms covalent bonds. So now please kindly respond me. What kind of elements will form by ionic bonds? Ionic bonds will form by metals and non-metals. Yes or no? Ionic bonds will form by metals and respond me.
Non-metals.
Metals and non-metals. Now my question is covalent bonds will form by what kind of compounds? Anybody?
Non-metal and non-metal. Non-metal and non-metal.
So all of you should remember covalent bonds is formed when both the reacting atoms need electrons. All of you should remember both atoms should be what? No donor. Both atoms needs electrons. Do you understanding means? Both are what? Acceptors or donators? Both are acceptors. Understand, Ra? So both atoms need electrons to achieve which inert gas electronic configuration. So to achieve the stable inert gas electronic configuration, to achieve the inert gas electron arrangement. So they only will form what? They only will form what, guys? They only will form the covalent bond. So both needs electrons, means both are what is that? What kind of which one needs electrons? The valency cell, how many electrons are there? 4 not. I have taught you already. What is that? Valence electrons. 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7 are electrons in outermost cells of their atoms, which will accept the electrons. Understanding? 5, 6, 7. So which are called as non-metals only. So they will accept the electrons from where? They will accept the electrons from where? One more non-metal which has 4. Understanding? So that is you should remember. So another 4. Suppose for example carbon you take. Carbon, what is the valency? Either it needs to donate the 4 electrons or need to lose the 4 electrons. Correct or not? So what will happen? Yes, no donation possible, no receiving possible. That is why it will go with what? It will go with what? Sharing of electrons. Correct or not? So the non-metals usually 5, 6, 7 electrons in the outermost cell of their atoms. Except if we'll take, for example, carbon. Carbon, how many valency? 4 is the valency. Correct? So that is you should remember. So all the non-metal atoms need electrons to achieve the inert gas structure. So you observe both atoms needs electrons, means in a sense of, so covalent bonds will form by only with what? Non-metals plus non-metals. So they will share the electrons between them. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me. Yes or no? So now, that is why we can say a covalent bond can also be formed between the two atoms of same non-metal also. For example, atomicity, diatomic molecule, oxygen, O2. You may be remember class 8, I only taught you most of the 80 sections. So class O2. O2 means what? One oxygen is bond with another oxygen. Yes or no? Hydrogen, H2 means what? One hydrogen is reacting with another hydrogen. What is the chlorine? Chlorine means what? You please tell me. Chlorine means what? One chlorine atom is